So QP 10.10. So there are 4 distinct numbers: 3, 5, 6, and 8. So part A is to ask how many 3-digit number can be formed by using the above 4 letters without repetition, without any replacement. So when you know that this is without any repetitions, so that means you can utilize the permutation concept. Okay, so for part A, so you select 3 items out of 4 items and then do the permutation. So basically it's MP4P3. Then you'll be equal to 24. Okay, one of the example is, so there are four spaces. So sorry, it's not 4 spaces. So one of the 3-digit number example is 568 or x5 is basically two cases. Although the number is the same, but it's different when we are talking about permutation. Okay, so then for part B. So for part B, how many 3-digit numbers formed are greater than 500? So you can see that this constraint, greater than 500 for this 3-digit number, is more compared with this 24. Obviously, you can see that the constraint is more restricted. So definitely you can all anticipate that the value, the number of choices should be smaller than 24. But how to calculate this? Now again, you write down the 4 spaces. Now the meaning of greater than 500. Okay. How come I write 4 spaces? Okay, it should be 3 spaces. So definitely you can see that the constraint is in the 100. So the 100 should be greater than 5 in order to make sense for greater than 500. For greater than 5, meaning that you can only choose 5, 6, or 8 for the pool. You cannot choose 3. Okay, so that's why in these spaces you only have 3 choices. This is not equal to 3, it's equal to 3 choices. Okay, and then after this we confine this is equal to 5 or 6 or 8. And the last, so this is the first step. The second step is that for the remaining 3 items, basically choose 2 and then do the permutation. So basically it's 3p2. Okay, after you summarizing all this, so the number of choices will become, first you pick up 5, 6, or 8, so become 3, and then times select the 3 stuff and then do the permutation. Select 2 stuff out of 3 and then do the permutation. Okay, so you can see that quickly find out the answer is equal to 18. And just a quick remark, as mentioned, this constraint is more restricted, so that's why it should be smaller than 24. You can see that this is exactly smaller than 24, which is 18.